One of the questions often asked during software interviews is that of data structures and algorithms. Let us solve a simple but often asked question. Suppose you have a list of sorted integers and your task is to write a function that takes the list and a target as arguments and returns the index of two numbers in the list that their sum is equal to the target in such a way to reduce time complexity. So, in solving this problem, we are going to be making use of the two pointer iteration approach. The first thing to do is to write our function. Now, our function takes the list and the target as arguments, and it has two pointers, start and end, which point to the start and the end of the list respectively. We use list indexing to find the total at that point. If the total is equal to the target, we return the position of the numbers that make up the total. Else, if the target is less than the total, that means that we have to move the end backwards in order to find the sum. So we move the end backwards. Else, that is, if the target is now greater than the number, we have to move the start forward in order to get the numbers. But if the number is not found, we go ahead and return -1. Let's now go ahead and try to find a target. So suppose I want to find the position of the numbers that make up 10. Once I run this code, it shows me the position of the two numbers that make up this target. This kind of problem is of time complexity ON, which is a linear kind of function. I want you to indicate in the comment section if there are other ways of solving this problem, maybe that of time constant complexity.